All right. We're back and trying to get this funded. Just saw the perfect Head and Shoulders. I took the color change, by the way. Welcome back, anybody that was with me. Um, and nobody's on yet because I just literally went live. But I took this trade long here as a color change here, and it would have pushed and filled my entire account and been done. I let up at 500 and it went 1,000. That's all I needed. So now I need $228.40. Saw this perfect Head and Shoulders right here. Boom, boom, boom. Almost took the short, but I was trying to click the live button to go and excited and let's get it. Let's get it. All right, cool. 10:12 a.m. Let's see what we got. So we had a perfect Head and Shoulders. We are making higher highs and higher lows. So that was a quick deal that would have worked out perfect. We're not taking it now. We just got to wait for the right moment and set it up. Set it up and get it. We need, I'm trying to think if I need to set this. Let's see. So if I need $200 something, I think I would need 10 ticks, maybe 11. Might set one up at 11 ticks. That's what I'm thinking. Take profit. 11 ticks. If this goes like to where I'm $1 short, I'm gonna have to rock like a micro or something and just hit it. All right, cool. Let's see. We are back on the map. I only need a little bit, guys. Only a little bit. So let's see what we got here. It really feels like we're going to curl and go down, but we are pushing higher. So, yeah. All right. This right here was the perfect setup to fund my account right here. I got the push on the color change off the 2 minute right here. And then the Head and Shoulders on the 1 minute to snap back right here. That right there, I took at 500. Okay. And it ran to what I needed. Then I saw this and I was trying to click the live button, trying to get this thing going. And that would have completed it for sure. I mean, geez, look at the size of that bar. That would have completed it. So now we need one more setup. One more. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. I would have loved for this to have gone below and done all that stuff, but it did not yet. So that's okay. We are pushing. Higher highs, higher lows, right? So that push would have been amazing on my setup for a long, but I couldn't do it off of this deal here. That was it. Shoot, that was it. Oh, man. All right, let's see. I'm shooting for, which I believe. So basically at 5 ticks, I get 109. So at 10 ticks, I would get 218. So I'm trying to get 11 ticks. And I need 239. I'm not 100% positive that extra tick would do it, but I can then switch to micro if I have to. I hope I don't, but if I have to. Swerve the zero and trending. I know. That's usually the last leg though. Like, so the Head and Shoulders will show it on the 1 minute right here, and then you'll see it in the price. 1, 2, 3, snap back, but this drive was too good. We broke the high, and then we're pushing. So Daniel earlier said we're going back to 72, and I believe that at some point. I just don't know if I believe that at this point. Watch it go straight there. Daniel, what's the delay? I changed all those settings. We changed all those settings. What's the delay look like? What's the stream look like? Is anything better, worse? You've watched it several times here, so. All right, there's the fourth one. So the fourth one drops back. That would have done it, actually. You got a delay, buddy? Are you still watching? So it said drop frames, 8151 kilobytes per second. So my drop frames is showing 8146 kilobytes per second. I think I have mine set on 6,000 or 8,000. Then you have audio. So the audio would be 148, which that would match. That would line up. Golly, look at that, Joe. Ooh. Are you seeing this? Watch it go straight to 72. My gosh. Straight to 72. Daniel says 72. He's liking it. Sound and quality are good. Don't know about the actual delay on cell versus computer. Oh. Well, what's your delay on whatever you're watching it on? Looks like Daniel was right. 72. So do we fail that and give us our goal, or do we actually, just pop it real quick and give us our goal, or create higher highs? The way that we've been running this week is just to keep cranking out higher highs, I guess. Okay, we got close. Run straight back up there. Are we good? I think we actually dropped some here, but that's just me. And that would have done it. 3 points. Yep, that would have done it. We're going to hold the pivot. 1 sec. I'll be right back. What's the delay good?
You're still talking right here.
Are you serious?
You ain't got up yet.
Are you on Wi-Fi?
Yeah. One second, you're right back. You just got up.
Bro, why is it so delayed? Holy crap. We're going to have to change, I don't know what. Alright, so I changed some settings. Apparently that did not help at all with the delay. I don't know what's going on. This shouldn't be that complicated. I have watched 19 million videos on how to set up the latency settings and get it to be as quick as humanly possible for the setup that I have, which I have a decent setup. And for some reason, I'm still on a big delay. I don't understand that. Yeah, I know. I see it. Problem is we're topping out at a pivot and the top of the 5225. Great place to not run through just yet. But because of that, we probably will. And I'm going to be wishing I had done it. Video capture device. I don't know. MACD is curling hard. Got the Keltner where we're driving. So we drove here, came back, drove here, came back, drove here. Next step is either we pop and drive or we actually come back into 42. Higher right foot. I really need to create a lower low before I look at going short here. Jeez. Somebody turn on the gas. Here we go. Somebody turn the gas on. That's still not even that big. So if I take a trade, I need that much space. So I need that much space right there. However big that is on the screen is like that. The difference between the solid green line right down in here and the dotted red line. That's how much room I would have to take, I believe, to get exactly where I need to be. There's no reason to go, huge on this. Oh, I thought I was going to sit down, hammer the long. I got it. I could have got all of it right there. All right, here we go. So we're still kind of hanging out right there. Bigger time frame. What we got? I'm not seeing much right now other than falling back into here. But right now we're holding what was the trap. And it's just looking like we're kind of chilling. I got to figure out this delay too. So I've hooked up. If anybody knows about this stuff, help me out, please. This is a built PC. I have it connected straight to my to my fiber internet. And my upload speed was like 16 something. My all-in-ones that are sitting in my offices at our business that are connected to Wi-Fi, upload speeds are up in the 90s and 100s. I thought that would be the exact opposite. I don't know anything about computers though. And now the stream delay is still, I don't know, like 15, 20 seconds or something crazy. I don't know. I've turned OBS into the main administrator. I've turned all kinds of stuff into to where my PC actually is focused on this specifically. And still, yet there's a delay. All right, here we go. What we got? There's the pop. Here's the pop. I'm a little late to this party, but that's the pop right there. Do we break out? God, do you long at the highs? Like, I know we're pushing. I almost took that right there. That's 1, 2, 3 down. And I think it goes. But it's like, man, do you long at the all-time highs? Of course, it keeps creating new ones, so it's not, I guess it's not a horrible idea. There she goes. There she goes. Right there. 1 hour. That's it. That's the all-time high that I can tell. And we're just driving it. Oh, I want to be short. MACD's down. We got the pivot and everything right in our way. We are still creating higher pop candles. Like that one was higher, closed higher than all these. And we are still above the zero line, which at any moment means that the long is pretty dangerous. And 72. We get 72. Here we go. 72. All-time highs again. Oh. We have an 15-minute opening range. What was the 15-minute opening range? 9:45, yeah. It's all the way down there. 9:30 we opened here. So 9:11 to 8:75. 9:11 to 8:75. See, I made a higher high too at clearing bar. 9:11 to 8:75. I mean that, right? Yeah. Oh, I picked the wrong line. I don't think I'm going to be trading this long today, but I'll throw them out there in case I am. I believe that is the opening range. Look at the opening range breakout that I tried to take 3 times yesterday. Boom. All right, there's the opening range. There's that almost 72 push. Daniel's always right. It just happens. It's a thing. Do we scorch and just rip right through it, or do we fall? Everything inside of me, being the bear that I am, according to Jimbo, is that we fall straight from here. But this chart does not look folly. It looks like yeah, like that. Just like that. Looked like it was going to push again. New all-time high again. And the drip. This is my favorite way to make money. Oh my gosh, pull the trigger.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my gosh, I almost got it. If it would have just filled me, I would have got it. It ticked me again. That's wild. I think we're coming. Golly, there it is. All right. I'm literally about to whiz myself, so I'll be right back. Looks like I got away with that one. I took it way too late, too, by the way. Okay, here we go. I just want to take one quick short pop and be done right here. That'll do it. One little pop will do it right now. Oh, it just looks like it wants to just drive though. That right there. Just I can't be long because we're pushing all-time highs, which is, whatever. But I really don't want to be short up there either because it is pushing hard. I mean, real hard. We're going to hit 18,000. We'll probably overshoot it and then drop it back. I need the smallest little amount. I almost want to set an order. If I'd set an order right there, oh shoot, it would have filled me. Like for a long. And that would have paid me. I think this is quite possibly the most patience that I've ever had taking a trade. Quite possibly the most patience I've ever had. I want to be short right now. Yeah. Just gotta wait for this to be over, I guess. Sadly, I would like to have been in this long from the bottom. I was long here. Got that one. Halt. What happened? I can't go long here. I can't go short here because no telling when this will stop. Got that one for the color change. Come back and went. All right, so we're actually showing some red. I can't be long. My only shot right now is short, and I'm not gonna short against this yet. Look at that. Wildness. Still at 13 to 14 second delay on a desktop. My goal is to get that down to 3 to 5 seconds. 13 or 14 is better than 20, but that's still just too much. I mean, I have the best internet around and a good computer. I'm not doing, a $500 computer. I've got almost $2,000 wrapped in this PC and a nice camera and all that other stuff. So I don't really understand that. There was the short for sure. Just a little quick back pop. And we can manage just to clear some bars here, like clear something, clear 75, clear something. All right. Well, ask and you shall receive, I guess. What's a good level? I guess 70. 70 would be a good level. Pop. Let's run it.
Order filled.
Let's run it. Tired of waiting. One ticked.
Order filled.
$53,005.60. I've never been so happy to see that in my life. Holy crap. We did it. Finally. I mean, I figured it was going to be today, but I honestly thought I was going to have the other two up, 12, 13, 14, 1,500, and then this one passed. So, yep, we're there. All right. Got this one funded, which is cool because I got a rep coming by here in about, I guess it's less than an hour, so that's good. I got a rep coming by to do some display of stuff for us too here at the store. What a crappy display of trading. It's a celebration. I'm going to celebrate with some daggone tacos. Yeah, we did it. Finally. That's not even the real celebration. The real celebration is the $2,000 payout we're going to get in this account. But we got to do this some more. So, good deal. All right, guys, you saw it here live. Maybe not that big of a thing to some people, but there's a ton of people out there, including myself, that would love to get accounts funded. So, there it is. Took long enough. But I was trying to do the thing, you got to trade a performance, or you have to trade the account in the combine for evaluation account for, I think, a minimum of 7 days, and then you have to trade the funded account for a minimum of 10 days. And so if your $3,000 profit target in 10 days, it's $300 a day. You don't need to hit home runs all the time, just $300 a day. That's why I set my targets kind of the way I do, so I can flow on into that. So right on. I'm going to change some stuff. I'm going to change this to a transparent background. I'm also going to try to get the daggone speed to speed up. So I'm only like 3 seconds behind, 5 seconds behind, something like that. If you watch this later, anybody who watches this later, throw the thumbs up. We got one funded here. And now we're moving on to bigger and better things. I'm going to buy 17 more accounts. I have 3. I'm going to buy 17 more and start trade copying some of them. Thanks, guys. Appreciate you.